I'm Erica, your student council president for the 2025 to 2026 school year.
And I'm your vice president, Clara. We're so happy to have everyone here today. To all the candidates, please remember, it is mandatory to keep your speech in 2 minutes. So,
Hello, AIS! I'm Ariel from grade 11 and I'm running for student council president for the upcoming school year. If you want a leader who communicates clearly, stays responsible, listens to other people, well, say less because you're looking right at her. You get one vote, one chance, and one leader. Vote Ariel for student council president. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Luke, and I'm from Red 11. So everyone's voices matter. So let's raise our school spirit together and make the next upcoming school year bigger, better, and better than before. So please, if you want to vote a president like me, who's determined, has expectations, and is willing to make your ideas come to reality, vote for Luke. Thank you.
My name is Honey from Yellow 11. So, on an unrelated note, I actually want to talk about something. Earlier today, I walked past one of my campaign posters and noticed that someone had drawn a mustache on my face. I'll listen to your ideas, represent your voices, and do my best to be able to make your year amazing. And remember, I'll do all positively. So, if you want someone approachable, determined, and genuinely committed to this role, vote for Honey from Yellow 11 and keep the mustache going for me one of these. Thank you.
my name is Kelly and I'm from Red 10. And if you don't know already, I was last year's Stuco's former secretary, so you can already trust me with this role. And today I'm running for the vice president position. As you can see in my campaign poster, I'm a very enthusiastic and happy person. So if you want a happier, if you want a happier life and a happier school schedule, then I think you should vote for me. And I would really appreciate if you do. Thank you.
Now let's welcome Olivia.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olivia, as everyone knows, and I'm secretary for the school year of 2026 to 2027. And as you know, a secretary keeps information organized, records important, and shares updates clearly, and make sure everyone's runs smoothly. And that's exactly what I'll do. Next year will bring new challenges, and it's different from all the years I've been at school. But I believe that with strong teamwork and successful and memorable year for everyone, I'm ready to take this responsibility and give it my full effort. And I really appreciate your support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bill Gates from Red 10 and today I'm here to be representing to run for election for treasurer next year. So let's get straight to the point. My name is literally Bill Gates. But does that But does that mean I have the face of the real Bill Gates? No. But does that mean I'm as rich as the real Bill Gates? No. But does that mean I have the same mentality as Bill Gates that drives him to be successful? Yes! And being treasurer has also many responsibilities, such as managing the school's budgets for donations or for trips or for fundraisers. And I am good with math. I'm organized. I'm reliable. And if you guys want a treasurer that is both reliable and has the most financial name in history, then vote for Bill Gates.
I'm Hazel from Red 9. And by Red 9, yes, I mean the advanced class. I'm an advanced math, which means you can trust me to handle school funds carefully, accurately, and responsibly, while making sure we still save money for things students actually care about. If you vote for Hazel, I will not just sit quietly in student council, I'll actually speak up for students. So I understand leadership, responsibility, and how student council actually works. If you vote for Hazel, I'll make sure funds are handled properly, students' concerns are actually spoken about, and school activities become more enjoyable for everyone. Thank you. So if you want esports, and boys next year, if you want more stylish and longer hair, make sure to vote for Hazel.
Good afternoon, fellow Dolphins. My name is Apple K from Reading, and I'm so glad to have this opportunity to be able to serve as your historian for next year. I won't let you down, but I promise I'll definitely let you up. As historian, I'll try my best to inform everyone about upcoming events and keep the Stucco board updated daily. As we all know, there will be plenty of new changes next year, and I hope we can all get through it together. I've got plenty of experience in student council, so I believe that this role will be in good hands. I'm really looking forward to be able to work with you guys next year. Thank you, everyone. Hello everyone, I'm Crystal and I'm from Blue 8, and next year I'll be your art chairman again. So the main thing that I wanted to address is that through my experience from art chairman this year, I have noticed that many of the events that we've had, I don't believe that every student wanted to participate in them, especially the sports day. Although it was a very fun event, I have heard feedback through other students that most of them didn't enjoy it, along with other new events that we've had. So for the next school year, what I aim for is for a complete new year with new events and new aspirations within each student's opinion. And another thing that I wanted to address was that I want to have extra accessibility where every student can give their opinion for what event they want and what event they need, and so everyone's opinion is heard. So as I am working again this year, I'll make sure to work hard and always stay up to finish things on time. And I'm excited to work with my new executive team along with the Stucco members that will be chosen. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan from Red 11. Most of you guys may already know me, so I'm not gonna say much. I'm running for, and I can confidently say that I have the many skill experiences that is suitable for this position. And I have many exciting sport events that I have planned for you guys next year, and I would like to experience them with you. Thank you. Vote for Ryan.
Let's finish with gold.
Hello, AIS Dolphins. I am honored to be here as a candidate for the sports chairman today. I'm sure that most of high school athletes already know who I am. I'm Gold from Red 11, and I currently play as the outside hitter on the men's volleyball team. What are some of the plans I have for school? I will love to create more inclusive and fun sports events for everyone at school, even those who are not too fond of physical activity. Moreover, I want to create a very positive environment where physical fitness is appreciated and the achievements of athletes are recognized. And just to remind you guys, I'm not trying to get this position for a good-looking CV. This is something that I truly care about and want to achieve. I hope that I have gained the trust and the support of my fellow athletes and students at AIS, and together, let's push AIS sports to its full potential. Thank you.
And you're not sure, you're a little bit scared, you're a little bit anxious. That's what I felt the first time I was here.
Was it a good year? Was it a good year? Give me a thumbs up. Was it a good year? Was it an okay year? Was it